Namaste everyone. Today in this video we will discuss about the find formula. You can see guys, I have written a text called spectrum in this cell and I want to locate the index number, or you can say the position number of T in this text. Starting from left side, the counting starts from the left side guys with the help of this formula equal to find tab. Now find text. Guys, I want to find T alphabet from this text. So this could be my find text. So then comma, within text I will select this one. Start number. The counting starts from the left side. That is 1, 2, 3 like that. So I will type 1 and execute. You can see guys, T is present at 5th position starting from left side. Now why I said the starting number is very important, let me explain you here guys with the help of example. You can see this word evaluation that contains 2 A alphabets. What if I want to get the index number of both of them? Then equal to find tab. I want to get A. You must remember one thing guys, that this formula is case sensitive. It matters a lot whatever you are writing here, either it is capitalized or a small one. Now, comma, within text, I will select this one and 1. So, I will get the index number of first A, which is this one, 1, 2 and 3. So, you got the answer 3 here. Now, if I want to get the position of second A, I would be making some change in the starting number guys. You can see guys, I would be starting the start number from here. You can see L, which is at the 4th position. That is 1 immediately after this one, previous one. Now, if I don't do like this, if I start from A itself, then what it brings, the changes in the formula you can see, equal to find. So, I want to find A again within same text. Now, suppose guys, if I start counting it from 3 itself, then I will still get the 3 answer, which is wrong. It will always provide me the same answer. Now, if I want to make some changes, I have to make that change in the start number. That is, 1 more than the immediately after the previous index number. That means I would be typing here 4. Now you can see the answer 6. It started counting from here 1, 2, 3 like that, and it will give you the position, the reference position will always be from here. But the starting position must be changed, that is 1 index more than the previous index of A. Fine. I hope you understood this concept guys. Now let us utilize these simple concepts to solve this problem. Find the position of A alphabets in the names below. Now you can see I have written all these names that contains 2 small A's, and let us get their index numbers equal to find. So we want to find A, comma, this one and 1. Okay, the first A is at 4th position. Drag it down with the help of pillar handle. You get the position of first A's in all of these names. Now for second one, same formula. Select this same name. And now guys, the starting number, as I have explained you here, it should be starting from 1 more than index of the previous one. That means if it is 3, I must be putting here 4. Now if it is 4, I must be putting here 5. If it is 3, I must be putting here 4. That means I need to add 1 time 1 always as I drag the formula. So I would be selecting this one and adding 1 to it. I hope you understood this concept. Now let us execute. You can see guys, second A will be at 5th position, which is this one. Fine. Now drag it down. This formula is ready. In this way you got the index of first one also and second one also. So I hope you understood this very simple formula, guys. If you are liking my content and if you want me to make more Excel videos on the simple Excel formulas like this, step by step, then let me know in the comment section and appreciate me with the thumbs up. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.